Beautiful show, guys. Thank you. Life is not about trading and investing. Trading and investing is just a vehicle so that you can have a better life.
I'd recommend anybody just come here. You don't lose anything. You'll spend your day and you'll learn a lot more than you'd realise.
What is the most important resource that we have? Our time. So if I said, oh, welcome today and we're going to show you how to trade for 8 hours a day. What? Hold on a moment, I've got a job, I've got a business, I've got da-da-da. Which is why the strategies that we teach take about 20 minutes a day.
Really, really good course. Amazing, would recommend it to anyone that's interested in making their money work for them.
You can make a lot of money. So one of our traders specializes in trading intraday, the day and the day after of an IPO. Okay, his record so far is 36% on his entire portfolio in one day.
I think it's a really good seminar to take. I think it's very helpful, shows you the art of the possible, and I think everybody should consider if they want to make proper use of their investments and help to fund their lifestyle, they should come and do this seminar.
What you need to understand is that once you know how to trade and invest, you can trade and invest forex, foreign exchange. You can trade and invest cryptocurrencies. You can do markets, sectors, industry, gold, silver, copper, whatever you want, because you have learned how to trade and invest something.
Today was fabulous. I really thought it was interesting, especially that everybody can do it. Everyone can have the skills, but it's just right, the mindset. You have to have a winner's mentality, you have to have the discipline, and just go for it. So I really thought it was inspirational to be here today.
80% of success is mindset. How many of you have heard that? Thank you. Some people say it's even more than that. You see, because I can give every single one of you a strategy, and I'm going to teach you some strategies today. But some of you are going to do something with it, and guess what? Some of you are not. Same strategy, same rules. Some of you won't take action. Why not? Because of the mindset.